The Remesh workspace inside of PicoBerry is where you clean up and optimize your 3D models for better performance and more predictable topology. This tool takes any existing model you've generated and rebuilds the mesh to match a specific poly count and a chosen topology type, either triangles or quads. It's essentially useful when you're preparing assets for games, VR, or mobile, where you need tight control over polygon budgets without losing the overall shape or readability of the model. Now, to get started, open the Remesh workspace and select the Remesh model you want to use. For example, PB Remesh. Then choose your source model from the list on the right, like a pair of sci-fi goggles or any asset you've already generated. Next, set your topology type to either triangle or quad, depending on your workflow. Triangle meshes are ideal for real-time engines, while quads are better if you plan to sculpt, subdivide, or continue editing the model. Now, after that, pick a target poly count preset, like 10,000, or use the pencil icon to enter your own custom value. Once everything looks good, click Generate to start the remesh process. When the new mesh appears in the viewer, take a moment to inspect the wireframe, the density, and the overall shape. From there, you can decide whether to keep it, adjust the poly count, or try a different engine for a cleaner result. Look, understanding your results is straightforward. The remesh model you choose determines how detail and smoothing are handled, and each model has its own strengths. Your source model is always shown at the top, and you can switch to another one at any time. The topology setting defines whether the mesh is rebuilt using triangles or quads, and your target poly count controls how dense or lightweight the final model becomes. These settings work together to shape how clean and efficient the engine mesh will be, making remesh a key step before texturing, rigging, and exporting your asset into Unity. So here's a quick tip. While you're working in the workspace, try generating 2 remeshes at different poly counts, one slightly higher and one slightly lower than your target, and make sure you always remesh starting with the high poly. Comparing them side by side helps you find the perfect balance between performance and detail, especially for assets that will appear close to the camera.